December to January is the peak harvesting season for Taiwan's purple laver. Purple laver, known in Chinese as zicai, is a popular type of seaweed that's often added to dishes for its interesting texture and nutritional value. Taiwanese seaweed farmers expect the delicious algae to bring in over 10 million Taiwanese dollars or 330,000 US dollars in revenue. The seaweed is commonly found in Penghu, but is also grown in saltwater farms. Wild purple laver can be up to 10 times more expensive than the farmed variety due to its rarity. The seaweed thrives in a climate below 20 degrees Celsius under harsh wind and wave conditions. Taiwan's purple laver is especially flavorful because of the seawater minerals and seasonal winds. A farmer says the seaweed has a crispier texture compared to its imported competitors because Taiwan's variety is exposed to stark temperature differences. Next time, when you enjoy a steamy bowl of soup this winter, look out for this tasty Taiwanese treat. Brendan Wong, RTI News.